Good day, welcome to today's technical class. Today I want to be looking into line problem. As you can see the figure shown at the right corner of the screen. So my first task here is to establish a horizontal line. So let me take it this way. Let me draw my horizontal line. Just start from this point, a faint line this way. So I can just pick a point. Let me pick this point. At that point, I will draw a vertical line upward with the help of my set square. Vertical line upward, faint. So my next task is to measure 80. From this point to this point, yes, falls 80. Similarly, from this point here to this point, yes, falls 80. Similarly, take the center, that is 40. Then come to this point, take the center. I have 40, right? 40. So my next task here is to taking those parts, yes, from this point, taking this one to this point here, right? Similarly, I will take in this part here too. Coming. Arrow. Take this. I have this. So just erase this part. Right? So my next task here is to simply project this one upward. This point upward, and then take this to cover up that upper point. So take this one to this way. We have it, this one. Then close it up by taking in this part too. Taking this part from this point to this point, taking it. I have this. Right? So my next task here is to draw a diagonal line. That is the line that will passing through the edges. Let me show you. Take it this way, from this point here to this point. Make sure the line is faint. Right? The next task, join the other points. This point here to this point. Draw it this way. They both meet at this point. Right? So similarly, take my set square this way. You can see there's a point I made before, half, right? So it's touching is corresponding with that. So draw a vertical line, long one, short one, long one, short one, long one, short one, long one. So you can see the other part too. The smaller point I made before is corresponding with this. So long one, short one, long one, short one, long one, short one, long one. You can see what I'm having. So my next task here is to take my meter rule and connect these parts together with a dash line. So take this on this dash line, I have this. I have this. I have this. So similarly, this part too. So I have this, right? So my next task here, after I've done this, is to draw a vertical and horizontal line at these points. This point here, this point here, this point here, and this point, and I'll join them this way. join this point and this point together. So this point and this point together. Right, come up here to join this point and this point together. Right, similarly, take my set square, draw a vertical line to join those 2 points together. Just use my meter rule to join them together. From this point here to this point, together. This point here to this point. I have this. So I have this. My next task now is at this point here. At each point here, I will draw a circle. So take it this way at this point. Gauge it. Gauge it. Right. I have this. I have this. I have this. I have this. So we have successfully drawn that. So I need to draw the inner circle. Just take it at this point here to this point. And this. So I have this. So if you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Thank you. Welcome to WAEC Academy.